In this video, we'll walk through how to share your transcripts in Rev, allowing you to easily collaborate with your team, stakeholders, or clients. Let's get started. Start by opening your workspace and locating the transcript you want to share. See that menu icon next to each file? Click it and select Share. Now you have options. Need a quick link? Just hit Copy Link and paste it wherever you like. Remember to check the access level and adjust it if needed. Want to invite specific people? Type in their email addresses. Keep that Notify People box checked so that they get an email with the link. Already viewing a transcript? Look for the Share Transcript button near the media player. For those deep dive sessions, you can even share right from the File Details panel without losing your place. With Rev, sharing your transcripts is always just a click away.